Hello friends, today we are going to draw a farmer and his son and their goats. After a long time, they are returning home. First, we are drawing very lightly the farmer using the color pencil. Now I am drawing the figure of the farmer. He is going home with a bundle of hays. At first, we will complete the gesture drawing properly. See, here I use some geometrical shapes. Now friends, see the farmer, he is holding the hand of his son. The son holding his father's hand so tightly. After that, we will complete the son's whole drawing properly. Now friends, see, now we have to draw two goats. They are also returning home on the field. Here also we will draw the gesture drawing very lightly. They were grazing in the field all the day. Now we will draw another goat. So we have to complete one. So friends, step by step we have to complete the whole part. Now we will draw the face of the farmer. Here, eyes, nose, mouth. Again we are highlighting the figure to make the drawing more beautiful. Now friends, see, human figures almost completed. Now we will complete, or now we will more detailing the animal figures. In this way we have to complete the whole composition. After completing these figures, we'll go background. So friends, see, if we want to make any composition, we can apply this process. At first we have to complete the gesture drawing very lightly. After that we can do more detailing like this composition. So students, see, I think this composition is too easy for you. If you want, you can draw or you can apply any composition. So friends, see, in this way you can draw any composition. If you want to change the background, you can. So friends, I'm sure that you can draw any composition with this process. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.